Hello everyone, welcome to Math is Fun. Our lesson for today is all about slope-intercept form. What is slope-intercept form? Non-proportional linear relationships can be written in the form of y is equal to mx plus b. This is called the slope-intercept form. When an equation is written in the form of y is equal to mx plus b, m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. The y-intercept of a line is the y-coordinate of the point where the line crosses the y-axis. To understand further about the slope and y-intercept, let's study the following examples. Identify the slope and y-intercept of the graph of the equation y is equal to negative 5x plus 4. So in this example, we're going to find what is the slope of the equation. So what is the slope in this equation? Alright, the slope is negative 5. And what is our y-intercept? Alright, the y-intercept is positive 4 or just simply 4. Another example. Identify the slope and y-intercept of the graph of the equation y is equal to 8x minus 7. So in this equation, what is our slope? Alright, the slope is positive 8. How about the y-intercept? Okay, the y-intercept is negative 7. So this is the way how we're going to identify the slope and y-intercept given the equation. The next two examples are given the slope and y-intercept and we're going to make an equation of the line. So write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form with a slope of negative 8 and a y-intercept of negative 4. So again, what is the slope-intercept form equation? Alright, it is y is equal to mx plus b, where in this example, m is the slope which is negative 8 and b or the y-intercept which is negative 4. Therefore, the equation of a line in slope-intercept form is y is equal to negative 8x minus 4. Another example. Write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form with a slope of 5 and a y-intercept of negative 7. So what is the slope-intercept form equation? Alright, it is y is equal to mx plus b. So in this example, m or the slope is 5 and b or the y-intercept is negative 7. Therefore, the equation of the line in slope-intercept form is y is equal to 5x minus 7. How about if you're asking to write an equation in slope-intercept form given the graph? Just like the following examples. Write an equation in slope-intercept form for the graph shown. This is our graph. So how are we going to find an equation in slope-intercept form for this graph? So the first thing is, we're going to find the y-intercept. So look at the line or the graph. So the line crosses the y-axis at 0, 3. This means that x is 0 and y is 3. So the y-intercept is 3. This is the initial point. Step 2. Find the slope. So how are we going to find the slope given the graph? Alright, we're going to use 2 points. The first point is 0, 3 and the second point is 2, 4. Alright. From point 0, 3, move up 1 unit. This is the rise. And write 2 units to another point on the line, and this is the run. So slope is equal to rise over run. Therefore, the slope of the line is 1/2, 1 rise and 2 rand, or 1/2. Step 3, write the equation. Alright, substitute the values for slope, which is 1/2, this is the m, and y-intercept b, which is 3, in the equation y is equal to mx plus b. Therefore, the equation of the line is y is equal to 1/2 x plus 3. Next example, write an equation in slope-intercept form for the graph shown. This is our graph. Step 1, find the y-intercept. The line crosses the y-axis at point 0, 2. So, the y-intercept is 2. Step 2, find the slope. In finding the slope, we can use any 2 points on the line. So, we're going to use these 2 points. So, from point 0, 2, move down 3 units. So, as you can see, we are moving down. This means that the slope is negative. And write 4 units to another point on the line. So, the slope of the line is negative 3/4. Step 3, write the equation. So, in writing the equation, we just needed the slope and the y-intercept. Alright, so substitute the values for slope, m, which is negative 3/4, and y-intercept, b, which is positive 2, in the equation y is equal to mx plus b. So we have the equation of the line is y is equal to negative 3/4 x plus 2. The next example is we're going to write an equation of the line in slope-intercept form given the data in the table. Write an equation in slope-intercept form that represents the data in the table. So this is the table. How we're going to write an equation in slope-intercept form? By just looking this table. Alright, step 1, find the slope. So how we're going to find the slope given the data in the table? So let's define what is the slope first. So slope, this is equal to change in y over change in x. So this is the slope definition. So we're going to find out what is the change in y. So from here, from negative 4, it becomes positive 6. So what shall we add to negative 4 to become positive 6? Alright, it is 10. So from 6 to 16, we also add 10. From 16 to 26, we add 10. From 26 to 36, we add 10. So change in y is 10. How about the change in x? So let's find out. From 0 to 1, so we just add 1 to 0 to become 1. Also, from 1 to 2, we add 1 from 1 to become 2. From 2 to 3, we add 1 to 2 to become 3. From 3 to 4, we add 1 also. Therefore, change in x is 1. Then, let's put it in the equation. So, the slope is change in y, which is 10, over change in x, which is 1. Then, let's simplify. 10 divided by 1 is equal to 10. So, the slope is 10 over 1 or 10. Step 2, find the y-intercept. So, how are we going to find the y-intercept? Find the y value when x is 0. When y is negative 4, x is 0. So, the y-intercept or the initial value is negative 4. So, the y-intercept is negative 4. For step 3, write the equation. Substitute the values for slope, m, which is 10, and the y-intercept, b, which is negative 4, in the equation y is equal to mx plus b. So, the equation in slope-intercept form is y is equal to 10x minus 4. I hope that you understand our lesson for today, and thank you for watching.